So here is how to set up and enable sleep tracking on an Apple Watch 11. So first, just go ahead, press on your watch crown, and then you gotta look for this bed icon. Or what you can do is just go for a list view, and then just scroll down and find the sleep option. Just go ahead and enter the sleep app. And if you're setting sleep tracking for the first time, it'll show there is no sleep data. To set up your sleep schedule, just tap on this clock icon, and then just toggle on sleep schedule. First, you're gonna set up the wake up time. Tap and select the category like the time, AM or PM, and you can change the time, set it by rotating your crown. When you're done, just go ahead, tap on this tick to save it. As you can see, you can set an alarm if you want. And if you scroll down just a bit, you can set up your bedtime from here. And you can set it up like the same way that you've set up your wake up time earlier. And then don't forget to save it. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can reschedule it from here as well. Now after that, just tap on the everyday option, and from this list of 7 days, just in case, you can deselect or select the days that you want to apply this exact schedule. Now if you have set up this schedule for a specific day, from this option, you can add separate schedule for other days like weekends. Now scroll down just a bit and you can add a sleep goal. Just make sure it's kinda sync with your bed and the wake up time. Apart from that, you can set up wind down that will help you to relax by reducing distraction right before your sleep schedule starts. Now you're all set, the sleep tracking is enabled. Now what you do is just grab your iPhone, open the watch app, scroll down, find the sleep app, and make sure just to check that track sleep with Apple Watch option is turned on, because otherwise it will not work. Now if you open the health app and from there go to the sleep data section, you can also find out all the sleep data once the sleep tracking is enabled. Now since we have just set the sleep tracking, it's showing no data. Now before bedtime, just wear your watch comfortably, not too tight or loose, and then it's recommended to press the power button, go to focus, and just enable sleep mode from here. This actually helps your watch track your sleep more accurately by minimizing distractions and, prioritizing your sleep tracking features. And that's pretty much how you can enable sleep tracking on an Apple Watch 11. Sleep well. Thanks for watching.